What are you going to do?
Water plant.
Water your
Plants.
plants. All right, go ahead. Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on the autistic edge. I am Terry and Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on the autistic edge. We'll be talking about the benefits of planting seeds for our children on the spectrum. It helps to provide a daily structure. So this activity, it offers a sequence of steps. So from planting to growing or caring for the plants. So this creates a routine so the children will know that, hey, you have something to do every morning. We're going to water the plants. All right. What are you going to do?
Water plant.
Water your
Plants.
plants. All right, go ahead. All right, don't drown them now, not too much. All right, Alex, stop. The seed planting also help them to develop responsibility and patience. So caring for the plants require an ongoing attention, and it also requires patience in watching them grow, and this will help them to develop a sense of responsibility when they have to care for something over a period of time. This is your pea mix. Come on, take it up and throw it from over here. And you hold it in. Right, come hold it back. Throw some over here. Not all of it, no, not all of it. Come mix it. Come mix it like this. Come on, mix it. Mix it around. Come on. Mix it around. Come put your hand in there. Put your hand in there. Your hand off to touch there. Come on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I'm going to dig the hole. Come on, I'm going to dig the hole and you're going to put it down.
Oh.
Come, put it down in the hole. Come up there. Pull the dirt to the, put the dirt to the root. Come on, come. Dirt. All right. Go. Yes, leave it there. Cover it to the root. Push the dirt to the root. Beautiful. Another benefit is that they learn about nature. So while growing these plants or planting these seeds, you can use this opportunity to talk about nature. You can use this opportunity to talk about the cycle of plants and the importance of sunlight, the importance of water, the role of the soil, and of course they get a hands-on experience here when they have to do this kind of exercise. Once again, thank you so much for joining us in this another day in the life of living on the Artistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.